Hi, this is Hutch. Just want to let you know the aviation community here in town has provided us with some overhead aerial shots of the fire at Hylton Hall. Here, we're headed south out of town. You can see Baloo Park on the center of the picture. Now we're zooming in on the fire. Here is a close-up of the fire at Hylton Hall with the smokestacks at the Schoolfield Mill on the right. Now you see the airplane coming in from west to east. There are the smokestacks of the Schoolfield Mill, and you'll notice not much else is left of it. And as we cross Main Street, now you can see the fire at Hylton Hall. Here's a great shot from north to south. You can see Baloo Park Shopping Center. As we move south, now you can see pictures of the overhead of them fighting the fire. Look on the left and right hand side of Hylton Hall, and you can see fire trucks dumping water on the fire. Once again, thanks to General Aviation providing us with the airplane, and Richard Bailey, the flight instructor for flying the aircraft, and getting some great aerial shots of this.